Hi there. Lately I have been talking with quite a few business leaders in manufacturing to prepare our upcoming Impulse sessions. And one of the top topics I've heard quite a lot is all about how to monetize our services and IoT. Now, why is this such an important hot topic? Now, I believe it's never been a better time to be in manufacturing than today. Quite a lot of exciting things are going on. So on the one hand, we see that the pressure is increasing on our growth, on our revenue and our margins and our differentiation. We do see that our products and our traditional maintenance services are becoming more commoditized. And we also see an increasing competition coming from the low-cost alternatives. Now, on the other hand, we do see huge opportunities coming from new technologies, for example, data, the big data, the algorithms, and we also see new value propositions and business models emerging. So quite exciting. So one of the important trends we do see in manufacturing is that the offerings are becoming more data-driven and more service-oriented. So services are becoming more predictive, more data-driven, proactive, and the advanced services are going much more beyond the traditional maintenance services and becoming more relevant for and having a more impact on the total value creation process of our clients. And potentially we also see that we actually can, instead of sell products, provide them as a service. However, manufacturing companies have historically been quite product driven and do not fully appreciate the value services can bring to their customers and also to their own business. So let me share two scenarios I've heard of. So one, in our continuous battle to win the product and the consumables business from our clients, and also maybe to justify higher premium prices, many manufacturers have been adding a lot of services often free of charge. For example, pre-sales consultancy, application support, extended warranty, discounted maintenance contracts, training of the users. And as a result, the overall cost has been rising, while on the other hand, the prices and the margins and maybe even the market share has been declining. So this is not really a sustainable approach anymore. And then the other scenario is due to the new technologies and data technologies, also increasing customer expectations and new business models, the core business will shift from manufacturing and selling to more service-oriented value propositions. So manufacturers will be developing and growing their service and the data capabilities, while expanding their teams to provide these data-driven services and solutions. And without any additional revenue streams coming from that, it will be actually impossible to really make that shift. So one of the central questions here is how can we monetize services and IoT in order to grow in this disruptive world? The capability to monetize service and IoT is becoming mission critical for manufacturing companies to achieve sustainable success and future existence. We hear and read many aspects of how to monetize service and IoT, and in our experience of what we have learned from manufacturing companies, the most successful ones, is actually the three critical steps which define the success or failure. One is solve bigger problems of our clients. Two is better articulate the value of the offerings we provide both internally and externally for our clients. And three, to build up momentum, internal momentum to monetize the services. So we will further discuss these three steps in our upcoming articles. I will provide more videos, and these are also the topics we will be discussing in our Impulse sessions. So manufacturers which are better in solving bigger problems, which are better in articulating the value they provide to customers and have high momentum internally to monetize service, they see that they generate more new revenue streams, are better able to differentiate themselves from the competition, and therefore are also more successful in this disruptive world. So, are you one of those business leaders which wants to accelerate the monetization of their new services and IoT capabilities? Then join one of our upcoming Impulse sessions. And these are full-day interactive meetings with like-minded peers and experts, during which we will exchange our experiences, our insights, our thoughts and our challenges. Book your own seat over here. So let's keep one thing in mind. The best solutions and value offerings, they don't sell themselves. It's actually all the people in the different touch points in your business which are able to articulate the value, let the customers experience the value and see the value, and therefore make the monetization of your new services and IT/OT capabilities successful. So looking forward to see you in one of our Impulse sessions. Take care.